Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of virtual staging, a game-changing tool for interior design. Whether you're a homeowner, real estate agent, or a designer, virtual staging allows you to transform an empty or outdated space into a beautifully designed room, without ever moving furniture. This is where Foyr Neo comes in. Foyr Neo makes virtual staging incredibly easy, with its user-friendly interface and powerful features. You can quickly and effortlessly add furniture, decor, lighting, and textures to any space, all with a few simple clicks. Let's dive in and see how Foyr Neo can help you bring your designs to life virtually. Step 1. Upload your space or choose a template and trace the floor. The first step in virtual staging with Foyr Neo is selecting your space. Whether it's a cozy living room, a modern kitchen, or a spacious bedroom, choose from a wide range of layouts in the library. Imagine starting with an empty room. You pick the template that matches your style, and you're ready to begin transforming it into something amazing. Now, if you're working with an actual space, upload a high-quality image, and trace the floor plan directly in Foyr Neo. This allows you to match the exact dimensions and layout of the room, making the staging process seamless. Step 2. Select your furniture and decor. Once your space is ready, it's time to start filling it with furniture and decor. With Foyr Neo's easy drag-and-drop feature, you can select from an extensive catalog of 3D furniture models, lighting, and decor items. You can effortlessly browse through an extensive catalog of 3D furniture models, decor items, and lighting options. Then simply drag your selections into the room. Want a cozy, inviting space for your client? Add soft couches, plush rugs, and warm-toned pillows to bring that perfect snug vibe. Or if your client prefers a more sleek, modern look, choose minimalist pieces. With Foyr Neo, it's all about tailoring the space to their unique style. Step 3. Experiment with layouts. One of the best things about Foyr Neo is how easy it is to experiment with layouts. Want to move the sofa to the other side of the room? No problem. Play around with the layout to see how furniture placement impacts the space's flow. For clients who like a more open, free-flowing design, try a layout with fewer walls and more open spaces. Want a cozy reading nook? Shift the furniture and create that perfect spot. Step 4. Adjust colors and textures. With Foyr Neo, you're not just limited to the furniture layout. You can also play with wall colors, flooring, and textures. Want to change the paint color on your walls? Or maybe switch out the hardwood for a sleek marble floor. You can make these changes instantly, getting a feel for how different elements change the overall vibe of your space. It's all about experimenting and seeing what works best. Step 5. Lighting and ambience. Lighting can make or break a room, right? That's why Foyr Neo allows you to adjust the lighting and ambience of your space. From natural light to artificial lighting options, you can try out different light sources to see how they impact the mood of the room. Want a cozy, intimate vibe? Try dimming the lights and adding a warm-toned lamp. Or maybe you're aiming for a bright, airy feel. Set up some soft natural lighting and watch the room transform. The possibilities are endless, helping you create a space that feels just right. Step 6. Review and finalize. Once you've customized your space, it's time to review it. With Foyr Neo's 360-degree view, you can take a look at the room from all angles and make sure everything fits together. If something doesn't quite feel right for your client, don't worry. Adjust and try again until it feels perfect. Whether they're looking for something dramatic or subtle, Foyr Neo lets you make those adjustments quickly. Step 7. Share and present. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share it. Whether staging for sale or presenting a design concept to your client, Foyr Neo allows you to export high-quality images or 3D models of your staged space. Make a great impression and share your virtual staging with ease. Perfect for clients who need to visualize the final design before making any decisions. And that's how you can effortlessly stage any room using Foyr Neo. With just a few clicks, you've transformed an empty space into a beautifully curated design. It's quick, easy, and realistic. Exactly what you need, whether you're redesigning your home or staging for sale. Ready to see your design ideas come to life? Try out Foyr Neo today and take your interior staging to the next level. Start your 14-day free trial. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!